Hi, Assalamualaikum. I am Rashida and I will present about introduction and objectives of my group's project. So basically, my group are conducting an analysis which entitled with correlation and regression analysis between the average money spent on online shopping and different age group. As for the introduction, we choose the project as online shopping has become the most well-known shopping method ever since the technology has conquered the world. Also, online shopping has become an amazing alternative shopping method for those who are busy with their works. As we can see in current society, most of us prefer doing online shopping. Move on to the objectives. Our aim is to study the relationship between the amount of money spent on online shopping and different age group. Secondly, we want to predict the total average of money spent on online shopping of different age group, and also we wanted to predict the average money allowance of different age.
Methodology. Data collection. We collect the data by doing online survey on Google Forms that we blast in students' messaging medium such as the WhatsApp. In this study, the age group was assigned as the independent variable, while the average money spent on online shopping as the dependent variable. If correlation is nice between both variables, then we go for regression.
So next, I will present about the findings. So from our survey, we get the result and we transfer it to the table. So this table contains age group and average money spent on online shopping. So from this table, we transfer the value to the line graph. So this title of graph is average money spent on online shopping versus age group. So from this line graph, we get the value of covariance, which is 201.43, which is a positive value, and we get value of R, which is 0.388, which is positive relationship, and equation of the regression line, which is Y equal to 1.3429x plus 79.587. And we also transfer the information to the bar graph, which is horizontal bar graph and vertical bar graph. So for the next, I will pass to the next presenter.
So I'm going to explain about the analysis between average money spent on online shopping and different age. So this is the result of our observation on online shopping. Column S represents the age group and column Y represents the average money spent on online shopping. So based on our result, we can get the covariance of S and Y by using this formula, and we will obtain the positive covariance of 201.43. And then we will find the sum of square Y and sum of square S by using the same formula. And for Y, we will get 12578, and for sum square S, we will get 1050. And then we find the sum of square S Y by using this formula, and we will get 1410. Then we will find the Pearson's product moment R with this formula, and just substitute the value that we obtained from the previous calculation, and we'll get 0.388. So the value of R shows that a strong positive relationship exists between the age group and average money spent on online shopping. So an increase in the age group will increase in the average money spent on online shopping. Next, we will find the line of the best fit or estimated regression model by using this formula, which is Y equal to B0 plus B1S. So basically, this formula are from straight line equation, which is Y equal to MS plus C. B1 represents M, which is gradient or slope, and B0 is Y intercept. So using this formula to find the B1 slope, we get 1.343, and for Y intercept, and with this formula, we get 944.35. Next, for this formula, this is the formula for variance of experimental error to minimize the error and get the accurate data. So the final answer for this formula, we will get negative 315.19. That's all from me. I will present to next presenter.
Next, I present about the questionnaire responses. Okay, the first question that we ask for them is about the gender. So we get the 104 responses. Okay, the highest percentage that we get is the female. The second question that we ask for them is about the age group. So out of 104 responses, the highest value that we get is from the group 28 to 32 years old.
This is the last part of questionnaire responses. From 104 responses, we can conclude that the highest monthly allowance is below 500 ringgit with 65.4%. Next is the money spent on online shopping with the highest percentage is around 60 ringgit to 100 ringgit, which is 40.4%. And lastly, the online shopping apps that frequently been used, first is Shopee, next is others, Lazada, Zalora, and lastly is the Amazon.
Next, we are going to see the conclusion. So we can conclude that the age group of people is directly proportional to the average money spent on online shopping. Next, we also can conclude that people from the age 35 spend most money of online shopping as it is easier for them to buy anything. People from age 15 spend the least money for online shopping as they depends on the pocket money given by their parents. Next, we also managed to predict that most people from different age have monthly allowance below than 500 ringgit. Next, we can see the recommendation. People from different age groups should have proper planning on budget for online shopping to reduce the cost of money spent for shopping. And next, people should buy things according to what they really need and not based on what they want to avoid wasting money for unnecessary things. So
that's our from us. Thank you.